Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into the past perfect tense in English. Let's get started. So what is the past perfect tense? We use the past perfect to show the order of two past events. The past perfect shows the earlier action and the past simple shows the later action. For example, when the police arrived, the thief had escaped. Here, had escaped is the past perfect tense, showing that the thief escaped before the police arrived. Let's look at some specific cases. First, we use the past perfect to describe situations and states before a past event. For instance, had you had your computer long before it broke down? This question helps to understand the state of having the computer before it broke. Next, we have completed actions before a moment in the past. An example is, when voiced films appeared, the cinema had already become a popular form of entertainment. The cinema became popular before voiced films appeared. Now let's talk about a series of actions continuing up to a moment in the past. By the time of his death, Thomas Edison had invented a number of things that changed everyday life. Edison's inventions happened continuously up to his death. Finally, we use the past perfect for completed actions where the result is important at a moment in the past. I beat Jason at international tennis competition because I'd played it a lot with my brother. The reason I beat Jason is because of the earlier action of playing the game frequently with my brother. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English grammar tips. See you next time.